everybody is in lockdown, like many kids get bored. Also me, so I'm counted it. So I like to plant veggies with my mom. And the easiest one I've got is spring onion. You can buy these from like the store. You can like get 2 or 3 bundles, and you just have to cut the roots so it grows. So I'm going to show you how to grow some spring onion. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to show you how to grow some spring onion. First, you have to cut the roots. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to use the help of my mom. And don't do it if you're not old enough. You might hurt your face. So now my mom's ready to cut it. You're only supposed to cut the white part because that's the place where it has the roots. The roots are. So don't cut too much of the green. If you want, you can just leave like a little bit of this, but don't do it too much. So if it's very long, you can like wash it and put it in your food. It's very healthy. So now we have our roots. Make sure you don't cut this part because I did that mistake before doing this video. And so this is what you will get. That's it. And now, and when this is fully grown, this is what it will look like. So let's go. So now there's also a second surprise is I'm going to show you how to make a vase. Not like the glass ones, a little bit from plastic. So I hope you do this one because it's very fun. So this is the bottle we're going to use. We're going to reuse some plastic. So you can use like any bottles like orange juice or any juice or like some kind of these plastics. It should be like kind of big. So now I'm gonna use since you can't like go outside if you're in lockdown, you can't buy vases. So we're gonna make one from home. So I'm gonna use the help of my parents because I'm very scared to use knives. Don't do it again. If you're not old enough, you might hurt yourself. So I'm going to use my help from my parents. So right now we have the bottle right now. So my dad is going to come and you can, he is going to cut it like this. Don't do it both of the sides because, well, the soil won't fit. I mean, it will fall out. So right now we're just going to go like this. Make sure there's plenty of space instead of being all crumbled up. This is the results you might get. So this is the box we're gonna use to plant our spring onion. Now we're gonna fill it with soil. So this is the soil that I'm gonna use. So this soil you can get from stores, and this is the one we're gonna fill our bottle. So I'm just gonna open it. I'm going to fill it half completely. Put it like, settle it here. Just like put it a little firmly and pat it. Get rid of a little excess here. It might get messy for your information because if you look around here, it is. So right now we filled it and I'm wearing gloves because if you have like long nails, it might get in it and it's very hard to get out. So that's why I'm using these gloves. So you can like settle it, you can like pat it down so it just like settles. These don't fit me, but it's worth a shot. And you can just like, if there's like big balls, you can just like smush it. And notice that it might get messy. if you are not used to it. You can also fill the cap just to look like a small boat. And if you want, you can like make like small holes so it fits, but I'm just gonna wait until the end. Now we just added a little extra soil. Now I'm gonna use a popsicle sticks to make holes. So all you do is just, and at least like make it far from each other. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you already you're like very good at planting, you might have like that hole puncher or something. Make sure you have like distanced it, like social distancing, plant distancing. I'm trying to make jokes, but it's not working. So, okay, yep. I have equal parts for it. Now we're gonna put this part underneath. I'm gonna take my popsicle stick. You can see that pattern, it will grow. Okay, there's not much roots here because I thought I didn't know that was the roots before shooting this. And and I halfway cut it. It was like this long, I was like, just snipped it off. So I'm just gonna put it in the bottom. Oh, I think I'm gonna take off my handy dandy gloves. England. So I'm doing it with my hands. That's how you do it. Never mind, I have 6. That one fit well. This one has a lot. Thankfully, I didn't do something bad to it. This one's a thin one, so it's gonna fit well. And one last one, which I didn't make a hole for. I'm gonna just settle it right here. Oh. Now I'm just gonna take my fingers and just push it in so it doesn't fall out. So this is what it looks like when we put it in the hole. And now we're gonna water it. Instead of watering too much, I have this sea salt, or if you go to Costco and buy these small things, small spices, you will get these. I need my shrimp. Okay. You should take this sprinkling one and just pour it all around. It should be kind of moist. Now you can tap it on top of it. And now you wait for 2 to 3 days, and then it will start sprouting. This is the one my mom did. We did it with the same roots, and it became this tall. We did it many times, but we used it a lot. We planted it here, here, and here, a lot of times. So this is very healthy for your food. It gives us small spice and is very healthy. I hope you guys do this because it's very helpful. After 3 to 4 days, I will show you what it looks like if it comes like this, or if it's just small as sprouting. So I hope you guys do this. It's very good for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and do this at home while you're bored like me. So bye, see you in my next video. After 5 days, which went by a blast, I am so excited to show you my spring onion. It is started sprouting, and it's looking very cool by growing like that. And my social plant distancing, still not funny. And when I grow this, it's like I get a feeling that I'm growing something, and it's an amazing feeling that I get when I grow something. I rush down when I wake up. I rush downstairs to see every single day for like 5 days if it's growing or not, and it was. So it's like a happiness feeling. It's like a project, a happiness project. Like, it's worked on my happiness, and it's a project. So this is how it basically looks. I'm very happy doing this by myself. DIY plant. And so yeah, that's how it looks. And I'm gonna sniff it. My nostrils. It smells kind of weird. Anyway. So yeah, I know the roots are in like. See, the roots are under. You can see the roots if you grow them. There's a very long one from the side. So I took some more like bottles and cut them, help with my parents. This I'm gonna make my new happiness project, and I'm gonna fill it with some seeds and stuff. And I'm gonna move that aside. And this is my spring onion that which is fully grown, sprouted. And so this is the beginning, and this is the end. So I'm gonna see what I can plant in this. This is an olive oil bottle. My parents helped me cut it, and we're gonna see what we can plant. So I hope you guys enjoy. I really, really would love you to grow these plants. It's very helpful, and will give like your living room or wherever you planted a small sunshine, and it gives you like a feeling that it's your project, it's your happiness project. Just do whatever you like, make sure it lives. So bye, see you in my next video.